Alright, so all y'all that have a hole in your sewer line, this is how you fix it. Now come look over here now. What I got here, I got a beer can. You cut it in half. You gotta have a knife for that. And then you gotta have some Walmart sacks. Now y'all follow me. You gotta have another beer. Cause you don't want anybody getting mad around here. Alright, now follow me out to the sewer line. No, go here. Don't let the dog get him. This is crucial to fixing it. Otherwise, you're gonna get more clogs, and you're gonna have to all get up. And you don't want to do that. Nobody wants to be doing that. Now here's our hole in our sewer line right here. The reason why is because these poons right here. Somebody left some tampoons in the toilet. All right. All you gotta do right here, you gotta get your beer can, lay it over that hole. Just lay it. Push down. Where's my gloves? Where's my gloves at? There you are. Gotta have gloves. You don't want no dookie in your fingertips. Nobody want that dookie. You go pick your nose or something. Woo! Now, you got Walmart sacks. One layer at a time. One layer. You push it into the dirt. Make sure it's got a good seal. You're gonna seal it. Then get you another bag. Don't overdo it. Go one more time. Get you a good seal. Now you don't want to use the dirt that the sewer leaked on, because that's poopy dirt. Now we're gonna dig up some more dirt. We're gonna cover that up later. But that's how you fix your sewer line, y'all. Peace.